Welcome to our newest DMA listing. It's located at 10213 Timms Lake Boulevard. Here's some of the stats. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2 half baths. We have garage spaces for up to 6 cars, full finished walkout. We've got a chef-style kitchen, screened-in porch, full finished walkout, and 120 feet water frontage on all sports Timms Lake. But I'm sure you're sick of hearing me talk about the house and you want to see inside. So let's take a look. Follow me. Thank you for coming and taking a look at 10213 Timms Lake Boulevard. The house is spectacular, but we always save the best for last. So what's in my background is a 103-acre Timms Lake. So bring out your pontoon boat, take a drink, a beer, a glass of wine, enjoy the water. You can hear the cranes in the background. And guess what? It's also a great fishing lake also. So give us a holler. We'll love to tell you more about Timms Lake Boulevard. Give us a call. We'd be happy to give you more information as well. But contact us at 734-677-6699. And we'd love to give you a personal tour of this gorgeous house.